Can't believe I got it to myself. Normally in summer this is absolutely packed. Morning. I'm parked up at Wildboarclough car park, or one of the Wildboarclough car parks, or Wildboarclough as I've been told it's pronounced by locals. I was going to go all the way up to Shutlingslow and over to Teg's Nose, but it's absolutely shrouded in mist and a little bit drizzly, so I think I'm going to change the plan. I think I'm going to go to Three Shires Head this morning and make this, kind of make this walk up as we go along, and hopefully the weather will hold off and we'll be able to see something. So yeah, bit misty, bit drizzly, but we can still get out and about. So come on, let's go. I'll just let you know, I parked up at Clough House car park, and you can't get any signal at all. It's a Ringo app, but it does say you can pay. You've got 24 hours to pay, so don't panic if you can't get a signal. You can pay when you get home. Right, so we've just come out of the car park and just crossed the road, and this is a public footpath to the Cat and Fiddle, the famous Cat and Fiddle pub, or distillery as it is now. And we're going to head up here in this little clough or valley. Right, let's go. So I think this is called Cumberland Brook. So we're just going paralleling Cumberland Brook next to these lovely trees. Wow, that's an isolated little building there. I don't know if anybody's living there. There's a rope swing there. Quite a desolate spot, but peaceful. Nice little waterfalls over there. It's getting a bit claggier again up there where we're heading. Oh, look at this with the waterfall now. Beautiful. I think we're going over there. Up onto that path there. Over there. Oh, it's worth it just to come up this. This is a really nice little clough or valley. So yeah, definitely recommend this bit. Right, let's get on with it. Like a couple of walkers have gone flying on their ass. It is. Right, we've crossed the A54 there, and we're just going down this valley. I'm not entirely sure I'm on the right side of this wire fence. I think this is Dame Bower Valley, but we'll see. Yeah, it's lovely though. Not seen anybody so far on this walk, so it's been very peaceful. Right, So I think I'm going down there and making my way to Three Shires Head, but I could be wrong. I have been before. Well, I think it's alright. I've just come down the bridleway, so that's the bridleway I've just come down. But there is a footpath, so I could have gone on the other side of that fence and gone by the river. That's the footpath, but never mind, we're heading this way now. This place absolutely really peaceful and tranquil. I've never been to this little valley before either, so look at that, it's winding its way, nobody about. This is absolutely, I'm loving this. I mean, you just go, you don't need to go really far in the Peak District, or you know, I've got the waterproofs on. It's not absolutely tipping it down, it's, you know, it's a bit drizzly, but it's fine. Got enough layers on, waterproof layers as well. Absolutely fine. Just enjoying it. So made it, Three Shires Head, and there was just a young couple, and they've gone now, so just me. Look at this. Brilliant. So this is where everyone comes and has a little swim. And in there, but like I said, unfortunately, I've forgotten my swimming trunks. What a place. Can't believe I got it to myself. Normally in summer this is absolutely packed. So yeah, very lucky. I think I might just go and get something to eat. Right, so I'm going to head off now. I've had something to eat. I could go up there and then make my way heading towards a Cat and Fiddle, or I could cross the bridge and go back that way over to Wildboarclough or Wildbourclough. So I think I have done that one before, so I think I'm going to try that one, see what that one's like, carrying down that valley. Oh, what the hell? Well, I was enjoying the tranquility, but a lot of motorcyclists came. Right, you can hear him. Some more coming down here as well. So it's time to leave. Didn't know they were allowed to come down here, but maybe they are. Well, we're heading this way. Well, there must have been about 8 or 9 motorcyclists, like motocross, going up and down that path then, but they're all very polite. I mean, it's very, very noisy, and if they're allowed to use it, then who am I to say anything? Oh yeah, it was noisy, very very smoky, but they seem to have gone now. But apart from that, I've hardly met anybody, just 1 or 2 people down at Three Shires Head. It's been a really quiet day, which is how I like it. So we're just making our way, hopefully now, back to Wildbourclough or Wildboarclough, whichever way you want to pronounce it. I've really enjoyed this walk. I would definitely recommend it. Didn't realise there was a church at Wildboarclough. That's beautiful, isn't it? So if you'd like to consider subscribing and giving this video a like, I'd be very, very grateful. Thank you very much. Well, that's it. We're back at the car park at Wildbourclough or Wildboarclough, and I really enjoyed that. So we didn't go on the tops much because of the weather and the mist and the clag, But yeah, it was an absolutely fantastic walk to Three Shires Head. I definitely recommend it, and I'll again put it on my Strava at the end in the description. So yes, thanks for watching. Until next time.